Hello, I'm Yeshua Vargas, or you can call me Yoshi, and in today's video we're going to be talking about symbols, language, and power. So in video 1, it was a TED Talk on how language shapes the way we think. The main argument in the video was that the way we understand language can be different from one another. Humans are able to express their ideas from different areas of space and time. So there was an evidence in the video that was an example from a community in Australia, and they use everything to describe. They describe everything in cardinal directions. They didn't use left or right or up and down, but rather they used north, east, south, and west to describe the area. More evidences from the video was that how people understand numbers differently and how people interpret colors differently as well. What I found intriguing about the video was that the speaker invites the audience to be in our examples. There was a greater level of communication when that happened, and there was also more communication between the speaker and the audiences because there was lots of laughter coming from the audience. In video 2, it was a crash course on how words can harm. The main argument there was that words can go wrong based on what the speaker intends and as opposed to what the audience understands. There is a greater level of miscommunication when the speaker's attitude doesn't match the audience's. So that's why sometimes a joke wouldn't land and it turns into a big argument. So one evidence from the video was that, you're probably not going to understand this, but Jason shot a mouse in his boxer shorts. You see, you don't understand it because there is no context. Context is needed for you to understand it. With that, there is more to interpretate. If there's no context, there's more to interpretate. What I found intriguing about the video was that words can be used to create harm if the intent is present. So it's so important not to be saying hate words or fighting words because words do have power. In video 3, it was by the Vlogbrothers, Are Languages Alive? The main argument there was that languages are non-living based on biology, however they are living because they are evolving and changing throughout time. An example would be the phrase, how do you do versus howdy. There's a difference there, creating a new language. How do you do is a longer version of howdy. It's so easy to say howdy. What I found intriguing about the video was that language is constantly changing, and there's so many shortening of words that people are saying now, and there's so many use of metaphors that are being created. So all these 3 videos relate to the coursework at hand because, well, first we learned that there's a greater level of communication when the audiences laugh, and then when the speaker invites the audience to participate in their exercise. We also learned that words do have power, that words are abstract. There is dual perspective. In each of the videos, the people presenting were gaining ideas from other people, like such as sorry, I lost my train of thought. So such as when in TED Talk, she was gaining the insight from the community in Australia, gaining what they have to say. And then that words are arbitrary. The word baby, it can be the baby, the little fetus, or it can be when you're calling your wife baby.